Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to learn about SYGC secretarial practice. We have already completed our first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and then we have started with the second chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance. And in second chapter we have already completed 75% portions. We are just left with 4 or 5 questions, and those questions are very small questions. Okay, so in our today's video we are going to do exercise of chapter number first, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance. So let's start now. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट ए, दैट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. डैश इज रिलेटेड टू मनी एंड मनी मैनेजमेंट. सो मनी एंड मनी मैनेजमेंट किससे रिलेटेड होता है? फाइनेंस से. ओके, तो फर्स्ट का जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज सी. सेकेंड, फाइनेंस इज द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ डैश अफेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी. Okay, which affairs? Monetary affairs, that means money. Monetary means nothing but the things which is related to money. तो उसके लिए इसका जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज ए आएगा. ओके, एंड थर्ड देखते हैं. कॉरपोरेशन फाइनेंस डील्स विद द एक्विजिशन एंड यूज ऑफ डैश बाय बिजनेस. ओके, so when you talk about company, so company deals with what? Capital. Okay, money. That is why the answer is B. Company has to pay dash to government. Okay, so when you talk about government, so if you are doing any business, so you have to pay tax to the government. Okay, that is why the answer is B. If you talk about dividend, so dividend we paid to shareholders and interest we paid to borrowers. That means if a company has taken money from debenture holders, bond holders, or bank or financial institution, so in this case company have to pay interest. Okay, so but when you talk about government, so we have to pay tax to the government. That is why answer is A. Dash refers to any kind of fixed assets. So when you talk about fixed assets, so if you want to purchase a fixed assets, so you have to use your fixed capital. Okay, so the answer is C. Let's see now 6. Dash refers to the excess of current assets over current liabilities. So when you talk about excess of current assets over current liabilities, that is working capital. So we all know working capital is nothing but the sum of all current assets. Okay, so the answer is A. Manufacturing industries have to invest dash amount of funds to acquire fixed assets. When you talk about manufacturing industry, that means this is a company who is purchasing raw material, that means kacha mal, and then they have to do the process on that raw material, and then finished goods will come, and then they sell those and then they sold those goods in market. Okay, so it is a very lengthy process, so because of that they need huge amount of funds. Okay, so the answer is A. When the population is increasing at high rate, certain manufacturing find this is as an opportunity to dash business. Okay, so when the population increase at a high rate, in this case company expand their business. Okay, so the answer is B. The sum of all dash is gross working capital, the sum of all current assets. Okay, so the answer is B. Dash means mix up of various sources of funds in desired proportion. Okay, so when you talk about mix up of various sources, that means capital structure. Okay, so when company prepare their capital structure, so they see from which source we can get the money, okay, at cheaper rate. So mix up of various source of funds, nothing but the capital structure. Okay, so the answer is B. So we have completed our fill in the blanks, and now let's start with the match the pairs. As you can see here, group A and group B is given. So first in group A, capital budgeting. Now what is the meaning of capital budgeting? Capital budgeting is nothing but the manager of the company takes a investment decision. Okay, so as you can see here, point number 6. Okay, so answer is 6. Now fixed capital. Okay, when you talk about fixed capital, so the answer is fixed assets. So here point number 5, that is 5. Okay, so if you talk about capital budgeting, the answer is 6, that is investment decision. Fixed capital, the answer is 5, fixed assets. Okay, now working capital, so working capital is nothing but the sum of current assets, so the answer is 1. Okay, and now capital structure. Capital structure, what is the meaning of capital structure? Mix up of various sources of funds. Okay, just now we saw, so the answer is 9. Corporate finance, when you talk about corporate finance, so corporate finance deals with acquisition and use of capital. Okay, so the answer is B, answer is 2. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now let's start C part. Write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statements. Okay, so the first thing is given, that is first question is given, that is a key determinant of success of any business function. So key determinant, what is the key determinant of any business? Finance, money. Okay, so the answer is finance. Okay, I'm writing here F. Okay, I'll give you the complete answer after this sheet. Second, let's see second now. The decision of finance manager which ensure that firm is well capitalized. Okay, so this is nothing but the financing decision. Okay, the manager of the company takes the financing decision to capitalize the business. Okay, so here will come financing decision, FD. Okay, financing decision. Now let's see third, the decision of finance manager to deploy the funds in systematic manner, that means investment decision. Okay, so how a company earn money, it is totally depend on the finance manager of the company. They have to see from in which company they can invest their money so that they can also earn good amount of profit in return. Okay, so here will come investment decision. Okay, now point number 4, capital need to acquire fixed asset which are used for longer period of time, that means which money, which capital we use for a longer period of time, that is fixed capital. Okay, so the answer is fixed capital. Point number 5, the sum of current assets. The sum of current assets is nothing but the working capital. Okay, point number 6, the success of current assets over current liabilities, sorry, the excess of current assets over current liabilities, that means also the answer is working capital. Now point number 7, the process of converting raw material into finished goods. Now what is the meaning of process of converting raw material into finished goods? It is nothing but the production cycle. Okay, production cycle. Point number 8, the boom and recession cycle is the economy. Okay, now what is the meaning of boom and recession cycle in the economy? That is business cycle. Okay, so the answer is business cycle. The ratio of different sources of funds in the total capital. Okay, so this is nothing but the capital structure of the company. Okay, capital structure. Point number 10, the internal source of financing. Now what is the meaning of internal source of financing? That is retained earnings. Okay, this is retained earning, and now as you can see here, you can get all the answers, all the 10 answers. Okay, so you can prepare your own notes. Question number 1, part D. Said whether the following statement are true or false. Okay, so we have to say whether this statement are true or false. Okay, so let's start now. First statement is given, that is finance is related to money and money management. Absolutely true. Okay, point number 2, business firm gives green signal to the project only when it is profitable. Okay, so if a company having enough amount of profit, then company can invest those money in a business and they again they can earn a good amount of profit. So this statement is true. Okay. Corporate finance. Corporate finance brings coordination between various business activities. Okay, so corporate finance helps business organization to coordinate between various department of the organization. Okay, so that is why this statement is true. Point number 4, fixed capital is also referred as circulating capital. Okay, so remember one thing, when circulating capital word come, so you should remember one word, that is working capital. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, so fixed capital fixed capital is also referred as fixed assets of the company, you can say. Okay, but here it is given as circulating capital, that is why this statement is false. Point number 5, working capital stays in the business almost permanently. Okay, so when you talk about fixed capital, so fixed capital stays in a business almost permanently, but when you talk about working capital, so working capital is a circulating capital, so it doesn't stays in a business permanently, that is why this statement is false. Okay, now point number 6, the business will require huge funds if assets are acquired on lease basis. So if a company is taking money assets, if a company is taking assets on a lease basis, so in such case company is not required a huge amount of capital. Okay, huge amount of funds, you can say. So that is why this statement is false. Okay, point number 7, the business dealings in luxurious products will require huge amount of working capital. 100% true. Why? Because if you are selling a luxurious product to your customers, so the amount is huge. Okay, so the customer is not going to pay the entire amount in one shot. Okay, so because of that you need working capital. Okay, so therefore this statement is true. Now point number 8, a firm with large scale operations will require more working capital. A firm with large scale operation, if company having a large scale operation, so in such case company required more amount of working capital, large amount of working capital, so therefore this statement is true. Okay, point number 8 is true. Now point number 9, liberal credit policy creates a problem of bad debts. Okay, so this is the liberal credit policy creates a problem of bad debt. That means if a credit policy is not good, so it creates a problem of bad debt. This statement is true. Okay, point number 10, financial institutions and banks cater to the working capital requirement of business. Okay, so this statement is also true. So we have completed our true and false. Now let's start find the odd man one. So only 3 questions are given. First, land and building, plant and machinery, and cash. So now if you talk about land and building and plant and machinery, so these are assets. Okay, but if you talk about cash is also assets, but it's a liquid assets. Okay, that is why the odd man out you have to say that is cash. Okay, so answer is cash. Debenture capital, equity share capital, preference share capital. Okay, now if you talk about equity share and preference share, so both are shares and both are own fund, and debenture is not a own fund. That is why you have to choose capital, debenture capital. Okay, so the answer is debenture capital. Point number 3, fixed capital, capital structure, and working capital. Okay, so if you talk about fixed capital and working capital, they are almost opposite to each other. But if you talk about capital structure, so capital structure is one of the odd one. Okay, between capital and working capital, fixed capital and working capital. So the answer is capital structure. Okay, now let's see question number 1, F. Complete the sentence. Okay, so first is given initial public of capital requirement is made by dash, made by financial manager. Okay, so answer is financial manager. When there is boom in economy, sales will increase. Okay, so here you have to write increase. Point number third, the process of converting raw material into finished goods is called production cycle. Production cycle. Okay. Point number 4, during recession period sales will decrease. Okay, in boom period sales getting increased. Now in recession period, where in recession period people doesn't have enough amount of money to purchase something, so in such case you can say during recession period sales will decrease. Okay. Now question number 1, part G, select the correct option from the bracket. Okay, so group 1, group 2 is given. So first here your answer is also on the screen. Okay, so financing decision means to have right amount of capital. Fixed capital means longer period of time. Investment decision, that means deploy funds in systematic manner. Working capital means circulating capital, we all know. Security means what? Capital structure. Okay, now answer number H, answer in one sentence. Okay, so define corporate finance, what is fixed capital, define working capital, what is production cycle, define capital structure, ये हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है. Okay, now question number 1, part I, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentence. Okay, so total 4 दिया है आपको. तो पहला देखते हैं, finance is needed to pay dividend to debenture holders. Okay, so when you talk about debenture holders, so we pay interest to debenture holders, not dividend. Dividend we pay to shareholders of the company. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे आपका जो है ये आ जाएगा interest. Okay, finance is needed to pay interest to debenture holders. Okay, so second देखते हैं, let's see second. When there is recession in economy, sales will increase. We all know when there is a recession in the market, so sale will decrease. So recession के on the place of recession you have to write boom. Okay, so when there is a boom in economy, sales will increase. Now share is an acknowledgement of loan raised by company. Okay, so no, share is not the acknowledgement, but what is the acknowledgement? Debenture. Debenture is acknowledged. Okay, so ये यहाँ से हट के क्या आएगा आपका? डिबेंचर आएगा. पॉइंट नंबर 4, इक्विटी शेयर्स कैरी डिविडेंड एट फिक्स्ड रेट. Okay, so we all know the dividend of equity shareholders are fluctuating rate of dividend, but if you talk about preference shareholders, so they get fixed amount of dividend. So on a place of equity you have to write preference shares. Okay, only preference you have to write. Okay, you have to write preference only. So we have completed part question number 1, and now question number 2, as you can see here, financing decision, investment decision, fixed capital, working capital. We have already completed all these answers. Okay, all these concepts. Question number 3 we will see. Question number 4, distinguish between the following. So only one distinguish is given in chapter number 1, fixed capital and working capital. Question number 5, it is given in answer in brief. So define capital structure and state its components. Second, state any 4 factors affecting fixed capital requirement. Question number 3, what is corporate finance, and state 2 decisions which are basis of corporate finance. And then question number 6, justify the following statements. So total 5 question is given. You can pause the video and you can write. Question number 7, answer the following questions. Only 2 question is given. Discuss the importance of corporate finance and discuss the factors determining working capital requirement. Okay, so only question numbers till question number 7 is given in your book, and this is your objectives answer. Okay, so you can prepare your own notes with the help of these answers. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask. So when we complete our chapter number 2, then we will also complete our exercise of chapter number 2. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. Till then, thank you very much students.